right, click, click, boom. So we're doing things kind of backwards. We're gonna blow up a pumpkin before we start shooting it with other stuff because we got some pretty shitty looking clouds all over. So Cody, the asshole over there that loves to do stickers, he's gonna be shooting it, and here we go. Well, you just defeated the click, click, then boom. I don't know, did you? Okay, well that was the pumpkin. Cody kind of obliterated that damn thing. I'm going to be taking a shot at a computer screen. Well, we turned the computer screen into little computer chunks. He's trying to set up a squash that we're going to shoot and see how that one turns out. Okay, so Cody's trying to set up another pumpkin. We've got the printer right there. We're gonna go click, click, boom TV office space on this bastard. So as soon as we get this thing all set up, we'll be right back. All right, through the magic of photo editing, great thing, we are now set up for the printer. Cody's gonna take a shot. Let's see how many it takes him this time.
Put the other side towards me. Still try to hit it, bro.
Just to the left of the black mark. Well, I think Office Space would love to have been able to do that to a printer, but, you know, hey, we're just having some fun. Okay, well, we did set this on a RV water heater that we've kind of, well, we blew it apart. Oops. So this is going to be fun trying to clean up all the, you know, stuff from the TV monitor, all the other crap that we just caused.
Look how thick
But
that
hey,
TV monitor is. Jesus.
It's fun.
Look at that piece.
So that's what Cody's talking about. Very, very thick. And we blew it to smithereens.
That one. That one's almost an inch thick.
And we spider glassed it. Okay. Here we are setting up the last Tannerite target that we got for the day. And hopefully we beat the dang rain because it's coming fast.
Hole 3 times. It's not there.
I just had to make sure, okay? Well, we tried to blow up the pumpkin, but the Tannerite failed, which unfortunately does happen. We hit it 3 different times, and blew open the container and the pumpkin, but we didn't get a boom boom. So now we're gonna shoot some squashes with a 12 gauge with number 9 shot, double aught buck. Good?
Yep.
Getting rained on. Damn weather. We're not going to tell anybody where we live for a little while. We're going to see if somebody on the channel can figure it out. So, good luck. And if you know us, do not even think about trying to comment on that. Cody's going to try and hit those 2 squashes up on top with a 6.5 Creedmoor.
Ready.
Hit the edge.
Okay, well, that's going to be it for the day. We're going to go clean that shit up. Hopefully we don't get too damn wet while we're doing it. And we'll see you guys next time on Click Click Boom TV. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do us a favor and share out the videos so we hit more people.
Peace.
Thanks. See you later, guys.